Here is the situation. According to our intelligence, a group of engineers working for the private sector are developing a new metal gear. Similar to what was found at Shadow Moses, this weapon was designed with a purpose: to fight other metal gears. We have traced this new unit to the Rose-Hulman Institute of Technology. We do not know the current status of the project. Your mission is to infiltrate their facilities, learn all you can about the project, stop the leader of the militant organization, and destroy the Metal Gear at all costs. Good luck, Snake. Snake, you've been dropped off at the entrance to the campus, but it seems that your gear has been misplaced. Before you do anything else, you must retrieve that backpack.
What? You just threw it out?
Radio me back when you're able to find it. Good work, Snake. I trust it wasn't too difficult for you.
How could it be difficult? It was just down there.
Listen, this is very important. In your bag, you will find a tranquilizer gun. Have you ever fired a gun before, Snake?
What kind of idiot do you think?
Very well, then. It's easy. Just face an enemy and press the square button.
What in the world are you talking about? There's no...
Now, you should get to work on your mission. I want you to contact another of our agents to brief us on your project. If you have any questions, contact me here. The frequencies for both of us are on the back of the jewel case.
Alright, I seem to have found it. Alright, Colonel, I'll be off.
Remember, this is a covert operation. Try to avoid contact with the guards if at all possible. Weapons and equipment are OSP. Good luck, Snake.
So how much longer do you think this project is going to take?
I don't know. I heard that the commander said that we're ahead of schedule, though.
Ahead of schedule, do you suppose that means they're done already?
Well, I have no idea. They don't really tell guards anything.
Yeah.
Why are we even patrolling over here? There's nothing here. It's just a back alley between two buildings that don't matter.
I don't know. I think that they believe a operative from an enemy organization is going to come by and try to steal the project or something.
What? That never happens.
I know.
Wait, did you hear something?
What? Oh, it was nothing. What are
Was
you hearing things again?
Oh, maybe. I don't know.
Come on, let's just go get something to eat.
Okay, that sounds good.
You wanted to see me?
Yes, we have a threat that we need to deal with.
Oh, what's that?
Foxhound has sent one of their operatives to disrupt our operations here.
So what's the plan?
Well, he's heading towards my area, so I'll meet with him. But I want you to try to find him and scare him a little.
Does this mean I can't kill him yet?
Yes, that's right. Just let him know that you are watching. You will get your chance at him soon enough.
Very well then. Patience is a badger's greatest virtue. Tell me, what is this operative's code name?
They call him Solid Snake. Now, you'll have to excuse me, because I have much planning to do.
It's a snake.
Snake, I got some new intelligence about your adversaries.
Yeah, what's that, Colonel?
It appears that they have hired an ex-Foxhound operative by the name of Sniper Badger.
Yeah, I should have found me.
Be very careful around him, Snake. He is a very, very dangerous man at range. Getting close may be a better option. Or perhaps it's best to just avoid him entirely.
Sniper Badger, huh? Doesn't really sound very scary.
Don't be fooled by the name. He's known in many circles as the Badger of Death.
Bless you.
I didn't sneeze. Wait.
Ah, Snake. It's so good to see you. I've waited for this moment for a very long time.
Revolver Ocelot, you behind this?
Oh, I can't take all the credit. You remember this gun, don't you? The greatest handgun ever made. The Colt Single Action Army. 6 bullets. More than enough to kill anything that moves. Now, I'll show you why they call me Revolver. How thrilling!
Snake. Ocelot has been defeated.
Thanks, but I really don't think it's the best time to be talking about this.
Now, Snake, that keycard you found may unlock a new area. You should check out any doors that you couldn't open before. Well, that's all I needed, Snake. You better get back to that mission of yours.
Colonel, I just wanted to ask you, can we talk about our feelings?
You know, there's lots of things we can do to cut back on global warming.
Like what?
Well, we gotta cut back on emissions. Factories can get better smokestacks that'll put less carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Cars can use hydrogen fuel cells instead of gas because burning hydrogen only produces water, and water is finite in the environment.
Well, what about all of this nuclear testing? I mean, the government's working on several projects right now to increase the number of WMDs. Like, take our project, for example.
Hold it right there, mister. We're not supposed to know about what's going on here. You gotta stay in character, remember? Besides, if they cut back on projects like these, people like us are gonna lose our jobs.
Sorry, I almost forgot about that. This is the only line of work I know. Wait, I think he's coming.
Oh, yeah. I'll check the security cameras and see if I can find it. See him. Guess that was a false alarm. So where were we again?
Global warming.
Oh, that's right. We were talking. Wait. He stole the donuts.
Freeze, drop your gun.
Suppose you want my dog tags, don't you?
Why would I want your friggin' dog tags?
To get the bonus content.
Have you out of your friggin' mind?
The unlockable features, the bonus content. Isn't that what you're here for?
Fine, just give me the dog tags.
I can't just give them to you. You'd have to scare them out of me. You can do better than that. Oh no, you beat Revolver Ocelot. I'm so scared.
It's just mean.
Okay, now we're getting somewhere. But remember, I have to give you the dog tags. And if I'm dead, I can't give them to you, can I? You can have them! You can have them!
That's it! I'm done! I have your stupid game.
What are you doing? Get back here. This battle's not over.
Do it, not worth the effort.
That's cheating. Infinite ammo I'm okay with, because I get that too, but that's just wrong. Whatever. I guess I'm done for now.
Snake. Would you like to save your progress?
Save? I was supposed to brief you on my progress.
Uh-huh. Do not remove your memory card or shut off your PlayStation.
Memory card? PlayStation? Are you going crazy?
Uh-huh. Save is complete. Remember, Snake, revenge is a dish, best served cold.
What? Okay, I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Call me later, Snake, if you need to save again.
Snake, I'll crush you into dust! With a combination of 20th century analog cloning and the super baby method. So it was you and I, two fertilized eggs with exactly the same DNA. But they weren't finished yet. They used me as a guinea pig to create a phenotype in which all of the dominant genes were expressed to create you. I got all of the recessive genes. You took everything from me before I was even born.
I expected to find you here.
Ryan, what are you doing here?
I'm here to settle the score.
What score?
Metal Gear 2. That was my game. And you took it from me.
You know you're crazy, right?
We're gonna end it today, right now, right here.
Okay.
Here, take the sword. We're gonna finish this.
Swords?
I've played VR training. I know how this is supposed to go. Take the sword.
told me you were so good.
Who didn't?
Foxhound.
What did they have to do with this?
They orchestrated this. They sent me to steal Metal Gear. They sent me here to keep you busy. They didn't want you to.
Hi, Snake. Would you like to save your progress?
Sure, why not?
Alright, do not remove your memory card or shut off your PlayStation. Alright, save is complete.
Alright, we've got bigger problems than that right now. I have strong evidence that Foxhound was involved in the events here today.
What do you want me to do about it?
Snoop around, try and find some evidence. You know what? Never mind. Just do what you were doing and forget you ever talked to me.
Yes, sir. I took care of the loose end. No, I don't think he expects a thing. He did practically do our work for us. Don't worry. We've covered our tracks. Ocelot and I are fine. We'll meet with you soon. Badger out.
your face, I feel your sadness, I feel your pain inside of me. Why are you so afraid? How can you go on living in the past? I see your eyes, I feel your pain, I feel your sadness inside of me.
Good work, Snake. I trust it wasn't too difficult for you. Here is the situation.
Tell me, what is Alpha's code name?
They call him Solid Snake.
We good? Tell me when. What's going on? What happened? Ready? Where are we? Who are we? Who am I? Who am I shooting? What's my operation?
Did you hear something? But I heard something.
What was nothing? Come on, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry too. I have magic things. Hey, did you hear something? I thought I heard something. I don't see anything.
Good work, Snake. It's sorry. Snake? Snake? Snake! Sorry.
It's like a villain's like, where are you, Snake?
Okay, I'll try it again.
Okay.
Good, I wasn't worried.
Very, very dark in Norway.
Can you see me?
I cannot.
I'll stand someone else. So I'm just fine.
Snake should be like, how deep does it go?
Johnson & Johnson is sponsoring the Metal Gear.
Before I come and go, that was tricky. One set.
Camera ready.